All right, big moves happening for the Terra Classic price. We're going to go straight into the charts, see what's going on and where the price is likely to be headed, and also look at the Bitcoin price and where the whole market is heading. So let's go straight into the charts. All right, so Terra Classic here, and a couple days ago we saw this pretty substantial dump here. And what's going on? Well, if you look at the Bitcoin chart, exact same day, Bitcoin had a pretty big dump as well. So Bitcoin bringing down the whole market with it, Terra Classic following Bitcoin. And are we going to go lower? I don't think so. If we look at the last time we saw a dump like this, the price rebounded pretty quickly right back up to where it was. So I would expect in about, pretty soon, few days, a week, we should be right back up where we were a week ago, and most likely continue sideways for a while and perhaps form a slight uptrend. Looks like we may be forming a slight uptrend here. So, and then hopefully if Bitcoin starts pumping again, then we could potentially see Terra Classic pump as well, as everything tends to follow Bitcoin. So let's look at the Bitcoin price, see where the market's headed. So first, let's zoom out on the monthly. This February monthly candle just closed. Well, first off, we have this huge green engulfing candle and a morning star formation. So that's very bullish, but the February candle, not so good. Indicates indecision and a loss of momentum. So most likely we're going to see a retracement here in the short term, but long term this still looks bullish. All right, so going in on the weekly, we have, like I've said, this bullish divergence here on the weekly. So that indicates a long-term uptrend, and we have hit this ascending resistance line here. So gotten rejected twice, but long term we should be going upwards. Now if we zoom in closer to look at the short-term time frame, so on the daily we are in this ascending channel here, and so yeah, we're in a short-term uptrend here. However, we do have this bearish divergence on the daily and also double top M pattern, and we are still in this channel trending upwards. However, if we break out of this, then of course we'll see a dump. If we break to the upside out of this channel, then most likely we would head up to our next resistance around 28,000. However, if we break down out of this channel, then most likely we'll come down to our next major support here at 19,000, which if we zoom out, we can see that's been a major level for a long time. And when we broke up to the upside here, we just blew right through that level, and we have never come down and retested it. So I think we're likely to see a retest of 19,000 at some point, probably sooner rather than later. So wouldn't be surprised if we do break down from this channel and retest 19,000. But long term, the next year, 3 years, I would say bullish. It does look like we have hit the bottom of this bear market, and we should now be in an uptrend. So things are looking good long term, but in the short term, a lot of things pointing bearish. So we are still in an uptrend, but if we break this support, then we'll see a pretty good dump. So we'll see if we continue the uptrend or if we break this level here maybe next week and head down to 19,000. Of course, long term, if we continue upwards like we most likely will, then that'd be great for Terra Classic and the whole crypto market, and we can see other coins start pumping as well. But yeah, we'll see what happens here in the short term if we do break down to 19,000 or not. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later.